everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to activate your Bank of America debit card in 2025 and above. How to activate your Bank of America debit card. The first thing you should know that there are different methods, but the fastest method is online activation. Here you log into your Bank of America online banking or Bank of America mobile app, and then you go to the card services section and tap on activate card. Enter your card details and follow the prompts. It's as simple as that. Then if you want to use the phone activation method, you can call Bank of America customer service at 1-800-432-1000. This is for US. 1-800-432-1000. Here then you follow the automated prompt or speak to a representative. Don't forget, you're going to need to verify your identity using your SSN, that's your security number, date of birth, and your card number. Then the third method is ATM activation, where you insert your new Bank of America debit card into any Bank of American ATM. Enter the PIN when you are prompted to activate. Then another method is in person. If it's needed, you can just visit the Bank of American branch with your card plus your ID and to get sorted out for you. Here are some pro tips. Activation is instant, so there's no waiting period. And also you can call Bank of America's international line if you're outside the US. If you need help, contact Bank of America at 1-800-432-1000 or via the app. Hope you found this video helpful.